Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given 2 to the power of 3x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 222. What is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. So here's our solution. So in our first step, what are we going to do? We are going to begin with this rule of indices. If you have a to the power of m, all this to the power of n, we can as well write it as a to the power of n, all this to the power of m. So for our case here, we can write it as 2 to the power of x, all this cubed, plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 222. Okay, so in our next step, you can see 2 to the power of x is common here. So we shall say let 2 to the power of x is equal to y. So where there is 2 to the power of x, we are replacing it with y. So then this is y cubed plus y is equal to 222, right? So let us bring 222 to our left. So this is y cubed plus y minus 222 is equal to 0. Okay, so then we are going to take it as y cubed minus 36y plus 37y. So this gives us this. Minus 222 is equal to 0. So we shall consider this as our first term and this as our second term. So for our first term, let us factor out our common factor, which is y. So then this is y into, so y cubed divided by y, we are left with y squared, minus 36y divided by y, we are left with 36 into bracket, plus for our second term, we are going to factor out our common factor here, which is 37. So 37y divided by 37, we are left with y minus this divided by this is 6 is equal to 0. Good. So next, y into, so we have y squared minus 36, we can write it as 6 squared bracket plus 37 into y minus 6 is equal to 0. So you can see this here, this one in the bracket, it is a squared minus b squared, which we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So let us express what is in this bracket into this form. So this is then y into, we have y plus 6 into y minus 6, then bracket, plus 37 into y minus 6 is equal to 0. Right? So you can see y minus 6 is common, so we shall factor it out. So y minus 6 into bracket, then our bigger bracket. So we are left with y into y plus 6 bracket plus, so if we take this and divide by this and this will cancel, so we are left with 37, bigger bracket is equal to 0. So from this point, y minus 6 is equal to 0. Then we shall open this bracket. So this is y times y, this is y squared, plus y times 6, this is 6y plus 37 is equal to 0, right? So we can now get the value of y for this case. So y minus 6 is equal to 0. So take 6 to the other side, so y is equal to 6. So we have the first value of y. Because we want to get the real value of x, we are going to use this formula. Discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So from our equation, our a is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. Our b is the coefficient of y, which is 6. And our c is this constant here, 37. So then delta is equal to b squared, which is 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 37. So delta is equal to 36 minus 4 times 37, which gives us 148. So then 36 minus 148, this will definitely give us a negative. So this is negative 112. So negative 112, this is already negative. So this is less than 0. So this will not give us a real solution. So no real solution. So we shall reject this. So we have y is equal to 6. But remember, earlier on we had said let 2 to the power of x is equal to y. And we have our y here as 6. So 2 to the power of x is equal to y. So then is 2 to the power of x is equal to 6. We want to get the value of x. So we shall introduce log on both sides. So then this is log 2 to the power of x is equal to log 6. So we shall now use the power rule, whereby we are bringing this power here before the log. So this is x log 2 is equal to log 6. To remain with x, we shall divide both sides by log 2, this side by log 2. So this and this will cancel. X is equal to log 6, which is 0.7782 over log 2, which is 0.3010. So x is equal to 2.5852. So we can conclude that x is approximately 2.5852, and this is our final solution. So we can check to confirm whether this value satisfies our given equation. So to check, our initial equation, which is 2 to the power of 3x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 222. So then this is 2 to the power of 3x, which is 2.5852 plus 2 to the power of 2.5852 is equal to 222. So this is 2 to the power of, so if we multiply this is 2 to the power of 7.7556 plus 2 to the power of 2.5852 is equal to 222. So then this gives us 216.0 plus 2 to the power of 2.5852. This gives us 6.0 is equal to 222. So if you add this gives us 222, which is equal to 222. Our left hand side and our right hand side are equal. So meaning x is equal to 2.5852 satisfies our given equation. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to share with your learning colleagues. Bye bye. See you in my next video.